Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to your maths lesson today. Today, we're going to be focusing on addition and subtraction. Now, you're going to need a pencil and a piece of paper because today we're going to be working along together. So pause the video here and go and get your pencil and piece of paper so you're ready. Welcome back. Are you ready to go? Fantastic. Let's start. Now, I've got some presents here left over from Christmas. I wondered if you could write a number sentence to represent the presents. Now I have got 1, 2, 3 presents in this pile, and I've got 1, 2 presents in this pile. I wonder if you could write a number sentence to show how many presents I have all together. Pause the video here and do that now on your piece of paper. How did you get on? Shall we see if we've got the same? So I had 1, 2, 3 presents here and 1, 2 presents here. I wanted to know how many presents I had all together. So how many presents do I have all together? And my answer is 3 add 2 equals 5. Did you write that down too? Brilliant. Let's try another one. Okay, I have 3 balloons, but I popped one. So I had 3 balloons and I popped one. How many do I have left? I had 3 balloons to start with. I popped one. How many do I have left? Can you write a number sentence to represent that? Pause the video now and write your number sentence down. Welcome back. How did you get on? Shall we see if our number sentences are the same? We had 3 balloons to start with and 1 popped, so I took 1 away and I'm left with 2. Did you get the same? Fantastic. Okay. Now, I'm thinking of a number and I've added 2 to that number and my answer's 4. Now, what was the number that I started with? So I'm thinking of a number and I've added 2. And now my answer's 4. What was my number? I want you to pause the video and have a go at working that out. How did you get on? Let's see. Did you notice that the answer is 2? That's right. Because I started with 2 and I added 2 more. So my answer is 4. Well done. Let's try another one. Okay. I'm thinking of a number and I've subtracted. That means I've taken away 3 and my answer is 6. What was my number that I started with? So I'm thinking of a number and I've subtracted, taken away 3 and my answer is 6. What was the number that I started with? Pause the video here and have a go at working that out. How did you get on with that one? It was a bit tricky, wasn't it? So I'm thinking of a number, I've subtracted 3 and my answer is 6. My number that I started with was 9. That's right. I started with 9, I took away 3 and my answer was 6. Brilliant. Okay. Welcome to the toy shop. Now I have 20 pence to spend in my toy shop. And I wonder, which of these wonderful toys can I buy? I've got some different options I'm going to show you now. Okay. Now I'd like to buy 2 teddy bears. 10 pence and 10 pence. Does that make 20 pence? It does, doesn't it? Well done, it does. Now, if we go back to the toy shop, can you think of some different ways to add those toys together to make 20 pence. I want you to pause the video here and have a go at that now. Welcome back. How did you get on? Brilliant. So we had my one with the 2 teddy bears, 10 pence and 10 pence. I've got another one to show you now. I wonder if you got the same. So this time I had the Rubik's Cube, which was 15 pence, and the bricks, which were 5 pence. Now, do you remember the other day when we had to go at number bonds to 20? This is where you're going to use that knowledge of number bonds to 20 to help you. So I had 15 add 5. 15 pence add 5 pence gives me 20 pence. Let's have a look at another option. I wonder if you got this one. I had the robot and the slinky. 17 and 3. I know that 17 and 3 makes 20. So I could add those two together. I've got another one. The car and the bricks. 15 add 5 gives me 20, doesn't it? From our number bond knowledge to 20. 15 add 5 gives me 20. Brilliant. Now, I've got 10 pence to spend and I brought some building bricks that were 5 pence. So how much change should I have? So I had 10 pence and I spent 5 pence. How much change should I have? I want you to pause the video here and have a go at writing a number sentence to represent that. Pause the video now. I'm excited to see what you've got. Let's see. So we started with 10 pence and we subtracted 5 pence. How many should we have left? Excellent. Did you get the same? That's fantastic. 10 pence take away 5 pence gives me 5 pence. Now, how many ways can we make 8? Okay, I want you to draw the sun in the middle of your paper with the number 8. And then around the sun, I want you to write down as many different ways that you can make 8. Think about your addition and your subtraction. Pause the video now and complete that task. I bet you came up with loads of different ideas. Would you like to see mine and see if they match? Let's go. I got all of these ideas, so I'm going to start over here. 0 add 8 is 8. 10 subtract 2 is 8. 9 subtract 1 is 8. 8 subtract 0 is 8. 8 add 0 is 8. 7 add 1 is 8. 6 add 2 is 8. 5 add 3 is 8. 4 add 4 is 8. 3 add 5 is 8. 2 add 6 is 8. And 1 add 7 is 8. Did you get all of those too? Brilliant. I've got another one now for you. 10 this time. I want you to write 10 in the middle of your paper and I want you to think of as many ways that you can make 10. I'll give you a little clue. Use your knowledge of number bonds to 10 to help you. Okay, off you go. Pause the video now. I'm excited to see. I wonder if we got the same. Shall we look? Yes, fantastic. So I had got 10 add 0 is 10. 9 add 1 is 10. 8 add 2 is 10. 7 add 3 is 10. 6 add 4 is 10. 5 add 5 is 10. 4 add 6 is 10. 3 add 7 is 10. 2 add 8 is 10. 1 add 9 is 10. 0 add 10 is 10. And 10 subtract 0 is 10. Well done. I'm really proud of you. You did really well there. Now, this is a bit of a tricky one. In a minute, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and you will need to write out each of these number sentences and fill in the missing numbers. Pause the video now and have a go at that. How did you get on with that? Excellent. Shall we see if their answers are the same? Let's go. 0 add 10 equals 10. 1 add 9 is 10. 2 add 8 is 10. 3 add 7 is 10. 4 add 6 is 10. And 5 add 5 is 10. Well done, you did a great job there. I have this one now. Can you fill in the missing numbers? 1 add 1 add something gives me 3. 1 add 1 add something else equals 3. Pause the video here, write out this number sentence and work out what's that missing number. Did you work it out? Let's see if we're right. It was 1. Well done, you got that. Fabulous. Another one. 4 add 1 add something equals 10. 4 add 1 add something equals 10. What could the missing answer be? Write out this number sentence, pause the video, off you go. Shall we see? Well, I know that 4 add 1 gives me 5. And I know that 5 add 5 gives me 10. Excellent. Well done. You did such a good job there. Fantastic maths today. Okay. 10 subtract something gives me 10. 10 subtract something gives me 10. I want you to pause the video here, write out the number sentence and fill in the missing number. Did you get it? Let's see. 10 subtract something gives me 10. Well, I didn't take anything away there. Let's see. It's 0. Fantastic. You're doing such a good job today. I am really pleased with your work today, Year 1. You can send me a photograph of your work that you've done there and I will be really excited to look at it. Have fun today. Bye.